The most common mistakes or missteps a homeowner makes when filing a flood claim is thinking they can do it on their own. The insurance company send out hired guns. Usually on floods, it's catastrophic, so they send out what's called a CAT guy. And those particular people usually get paid per claim, per diem, so they're hurrying. I've seen situations where on my own personal claim with Sandy in New Jersey, the gentleman was in the house for 11 minutes and 45 seconds, and he determined that half of the house could be saved, therefore reducing my claim by over 2/3. So the main thing you want to do to avoid any missteps is to get professional help.